Welcome to this video where you will learn how to avoid common grammar mistakes while writing work emails. Here's an email from a bank employee to a teammate. Hello Sid. We is update the student loan defaulters list for this quarter. The call center team speak to all the students to understand the reasons for default. Most of the students have paid 75% of their loans. They have not paid for the last 3 months due to the pandemic. The branch manager send an email to the colleges requesting them to give the students an extension to pay their college fees. Is your team also call the students? Please confirm. Regards, Gayatri. Did you notice any mistakes in this email? To avoid these mistakes, in this video, we will learn about the present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to talk about something that is happening now. Use the linking verb is, am or are with the verb ending with ing. For example, talk becomes is talking or am talking or are talking. For verbs which end with e like write, give and leave, remove the e and add ing. Write becomes writing, give becomes giving, and leave becomes leaving. To form a simple sentence, begin with the pronoun he, she or it. Add the linking verb is and the action word ending with ing. For example, he is working, or she is working, or it is working. The same rule applies for nouns. For example, Jay is working, or the branch manager is working. You can add more information after the action word. For example, he is working from home, or she is working today, or Jay is working from home, or the branch manager is working till 10 p.m. To form a sentence to write about yourself, use I. Add am and the action word ending with ing. For example, I am working, or I am working from home. To form a sentence to write using you, we or they, add are and the action word ending with ing. For example, you are talking very loudly, or we are explaining the new loan scheme, or they are complaining to the branch manager. Remember, use is with she, he, it or nouns. Use am with I and use are with you, we or they. Now that you know how to use the present continuous tense, let us look at the email sent by the bank employee and correct it. With the pronoun we, use are and not is. So the correct way to write it is, we are updating. Since the call center team is a specific noun, use is speaking. Similarly, there is only one branch manager, so write is sending an email. The writer is asking Sid if the team is currently speaking to the students. It is an action which is happening, so the correct verb is calling and not call. We hope you have now understood how to avoid errors related to the present continuous tense in your work emails.